We drippy, drippy, all year round. We drippy, drippy, we drippy, drippy. We drippy, 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 drippy. Oh yeah, we drippy, 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 drippy. We drippy, drippy, all year round.
Woo! What's going on, guys? It's your boy, man. Start on Breeze here, baby. Coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man. Hey, before we do all that, I gotta do something right quick because I need to show you something right quick before we get into the video. Hold on. I'm gonna do a little study right quick, right? All right, see right here. What I got 2 hours to go. So I make $5,000 a day, man, and just this pool alone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to harvest this. I want to see how much I make during the video. Just during the video, I want to see how much money I make just during the video. You know what I'm saying? That's $5,000 a day in a pool, in a farming pool. And you think I'm finna, boy, you got folk bragging about, oh, man, I got $100,000 in elephant money. Ain't making no money. Man, I make $5,000 a day over here on Pulsechain, baby, and I get to keep my money. Man, you crazy. Well, why did? I'm gonna see just how much I make just during the video. So it's gonna start at 0, and I'm gonna do the video, and I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna see how much I make. So come on and go to 0. Go on. Take that on up out of here now. Come on, middle man. All right, there we go. So we at 0. So now let's go and continue on. Where was I? Oh, yeah. I was with the king, baby. D-R-I-P. Hey, man, look here, man. Drip is the backbone of everything I do. No matter what go on in crypto, I know I can come back to old Drip. She gonna be right there, baby. That claim button gonna work. But you know what I'm saying? Hey, man, shout out, man. Hey, man, Forex, please just build something on Pulsechain. It don't matter, man. It could be a coin flip game. Just build something. Come on, Forex. I don't know what he got against Richard Hart, man, but he ain't gonna do it. He'd rather go to arbitral. Boy, Forex is bad, man. It's still gonna work because he a bad-ass developer, baby. He is the man when it comes to Devin. But anyway, man, the big AMA is tomorrow. So get in the Telegram and find out all the, everybody excited. I think it's 2 p.m., maybe 4 p.m. Everybody excited about the big AMA, boy, Thursday. Hey, we're gonna see what's happening, you know what I'm saying? Get the dates for the DDD and all that. Man, imagine Drip going, Pulsechain going, air. What else do you need? You think I'm finna be in some ArcFi and all that? Man, come on, man. Y'all just be giving away. All the gains you make in Drip and all the other stuff, you give it away. You gave it away in Piston. Oh, we got the Drip killer is Furio. You gave it away over there. Oh, Arc just like Drip. No, you gave it away. Oh, but the token number you gave. I don't understand people, bro. Meanwhile, I'm just over here still getting rich, Stick with the stick with. You get what I'm saying? But anyway, man. So, let's keep it moving, shall we? Check on the old Pulsechain burn. You know what I mean? Come on over here. See what these stats looking like. What we got going on? PLS Pulsechain is 236 up 0.3. Well, as of right now, hey, by the time you see the video, anything can happen. I'm saying as of right now, 236 is holding strong. Pulse X is kind of down. Be up, down. It's hanging right around that $100 mark. Not $100, my bad. That 100. I'm counting the 0. I just look right here. It's hanging around that 100 mark. You know what I'm saying? Ink doing this Thuzzarilla. Thanks. $69. That's a good number, boy. 69. It's a good old number. You get what I'm saying? Hex is 256. Well, 2 cent, 2.5 cent. Hanging in there. That's all you can do in crypto, man. Just hang in there, bro. I tell people all the time, bro. Just keep swinging. But y'all keep swinging at balls. Swing at strikes, bro. Stop swinging at balls. I'm tripping, man. But for real, man, when you come onto the plate, swing at strikes, man. That's how you hit a home run. Y'all you get all emotional and jump into stuff. Y'all just revenge. Y'all just doing stuff out of revenge. Because I hate them Drip people. I hate Forex. I hate this. I hate that. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to go I'm going to buy me some trunk. How that working out for you, bro? Like, y'all think I be trying to be funny, but I'm that serious. I mean, I just don't get it, bro. Pulsechain over here making all this money, and you got people that won't even talk about it, cause for whatever reason, cause they, whoever they follow ain't talking about it or whatever. That's, hey, more money for me, cause I'm gonna keep making it. And then you got some people won't talk about it cause they got a referral link. They be looking around, let me see where the referral link at. Where the referral link? Ain't no referral link? Oh man, I ain't talking about that. Look over here, we got this new thing right here. Vortex. The Vortex bot. See the Vortex bot, it gonna, man, my God. That's why I'm telling you, I say the same thing. I don't feel sorry for people in crypto because y'all be following these dumbass folk, ain't making you no money. You know what I'm saying? I just don't get it, bro. It's always something new right around the corner. What the tokenomics of this? As soon as you hear that, you finna get scammed. Well, the tokenomics of them. Oh my goodness, bro. Get out of here. Let's check out this bread. 99 and 99. I got 99 problem, but Pulsechain what? Hit me. Doom. Hey, don't steal my job. 99 problem, but Pulsechain what? Hit me. Doom. Hey, why you coming out the dome with it? Where we at? Hey, it's money coming in this thing. Why? It's 155 million. Now think about this. I ain't gonna say we struggle, but it took us a few days to get to 100 million. If we hit 100 million like what, 2 days ago? We already at 55 more million. We reached 55 million faster than we reached 55 million the first time. As far as I can see. You know what I'm saying? And money, these are millions coming in, not like thousands, 100,000. We count millions over here. Millions. One day this thing gonna say billions, bro. It's just gonna keep going. This is deposit. It's just gonna keep going and going and going and going. No matter if you like it or not, it's just gonna keep going, bro. That's just what it is. People that, boy, they bringing this hex over here like it ain't nothing. Woo! Man, that's crazy. USDC and DAI fighting, boy. They 31 million, 30 million. Look at USDT. Who's still using? What y'all doing with USDT? Man, this is somebody up to something. This old something going on right here, boy. Who still using USDT? Hey, I don't think I really used USDT since the Tron days, boy. Anyway, hey, all that ETH, 11,000 ETH, $20 million in 1 week. Come on, man. You got to give Pulsechain the credit, bro. You just got to give it the credit. 14,000 validators, if you will, and climbing. I still don't know how to. Nobody will teach me how to be a validator. Richard, this number real, man. Ain't nobody did no video how to be a validator, but this thing keep going up. Why? Ooh wee. But shout out, hey, that makes it. People say, what that number even mean? Bro, this makes it decentralized. The more this number goes up, the more decentralized Pulsechain is. So shout out to the validators, man. You know what I'm saying? You know me, how much they make? Their first thing like a job. Man, you want to be a validator? How much you pay? My first question. I ain't asking about no technology. I ain't asking about nothing. How much you pay? I keep it real, man. Don't nobody keep it realer than me. Nobody. I don't care what they tell you. Nobody keep it realer than me, Jack. I'm gonna ask how much you pay. You get what I'm saying? Hey, man, we're going over to Pulse. I ain't coming to Pulsechain to make no social statement. I ain't come to donate to no Sins Foundation. I came to make profit off the work of others. Hey, 100, baby. Ain't nobody gonna say that. I know everybody want to do the technology and all that. And man, ain't that. They're just a blockchain, but that's all it is. It's just a blockchain. But while this blockchain is chaining, I'm here for it. Shout out to Richard, baby. What else we need to check on, man? We need to check on my money. I got a bridge too. Where my bridge at? I got so much going on. Ain't nobody gonna show you their bridge. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody gonna show you what they doing, man. But me. You know me, old no, baby. Let's see what I got going on, man. See what I got going on. Okay. My first bridge was May 17th. So that was about 6 days. Look at it. Okay. You know me. And my first thing wasn't in. My first interaction was out. From Pulsechain to Ethereum. So I did a test of $1,000. Hey man, I'm a boss. What you want me to say? That's like $1 to me. So I did a test of $1,000. And I got it. It took a few days. Then I sent some more out. Was that 28 million posts? I don't even know how much that I got to calculate it. I sent that out. So then I brought in, I brought in the ETH, and then I brought in 100,000 hex. I got hex for days, baby. I brought in over 100,000 hex. And then I came out. I sent $21,000 to my wallet. I sent another $10,000 to my wallet. I got another another $20,000. I'm going. Let me count this up. In 6 days, I have pocketed. I think that's about $5,000. I think it's about $5,000. You can do the calculation. So that's about five. So let me see. That's 20. That's 40. That's 50. That's 55. $56,000 in 6 days. Where's you gonna make that kind of money on $100,000, bro? $100,000 pledge. That's all I sacrificed. Well, I ain't gonna say that's all, cause but that's what the stuff was worth. The 100,000, and I'm already in a pocket at 56,000, and I'm making $5,000 a day in the farm. Well, more. That's just on that one farm, in this one wallet. You know what I'm saying? You got to spread your stuff out. Like, I ain't even got my billion Pulsechain in this wallet no more. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Just in case somebody get you, well, they ain't gonna get it all. But, bro, you talking about, put it in Elephant Money Future. I got $100,000. I wasn't even bragging to nobody about that. How much you done put in your pocket? How much you done put in your pocket for your kids? Life happens every day, bro. I teach people how to get money every day. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to get the money. Already $56,000 in my pocket, and we just a weekend, baby. Well, speaking of money, as a matter of fact, let me claim this. Let me see if my claim ready. Let me see if Richard on the ball. Nah, it ain't gonna. It might not be ready because I'm videoing. So you got to go to ETH. So you got to change your thing like this. Go to Ethereum. Then hit the claim. Once I get over to Ethereum, you hit the claim. So let's see if it's ready. Bam. Let's see. Oh, we ready, baby. Another $20,000 going to Stunner pocket. Cause I'm Stunner. What else? What you want me to say? I mean, hey, all the other guys they be putting all up on their screen. Oh, I'm making $10,000. Show it. I don't believe you. I'm sure, man. You see, I make $5,000 a day, baby. Easy. And that's with 2 hours to go. I don't know what day, but hey, man. So let's see what I got. Come on. I gotta wait for that old text to show up. Come on, Richard. There we go. Now we're going back over to Post Chisel. Well, come on, middle man. Come on. Get on back over here to Pulsechain now. See how much money I made during the video. See how much money I made during the video now. Come on, what I do? Oh, there we go. Bad out. How you like me now? I'm in the mix. See how much money I made just in this, 12 minutes. 12 minutes. See how much money I made. $36, bro, in 12 minutes. You do the math. Do the math now. In 12 minutes, I made $36. How many minutes in a day? Somebody do the math on that, bro. But anyway, man, hey, like the video, bro. Comment, subscribe. Who else can you this good information, bro? You know what I'm saying? All right, see, I don't need to show you my other looks. I mean, I got 6, 7. Anyway, man, like the video. Comment, subscribe. Oh, shout out to Notification Gang. I almost forgot, but I didn't. Notification Gang, shout out to y'all, man. Hey, I see you. Holla at your boy. Hit that subscribe button now. Holla at your boy. Oh, wait, it just updated. I made $39. Really at $40. It just updated because when you come back to the page, you have to refresh it or it'll be stale. So I just updated. I made basically $40 in 20 minutes. I meant 20 minutes. $40 in 13 minutes. 13 minutes right now. So basically $40 in 13 minutes. Holla at your boy.